Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? So today I'm going to show you how to make spaghetti aglio e olio, and it's going to be super simple, easy, and delicious. So for this, I'm going to be taking a saucepan full of water and add some salt to it. Next, I'm going to bring it up to a vigorous boil. As soon as it comes to a boil, I'm going to add my spaghetti. You can add it whole, I just chose to cut it in half. Then I'm going to chop up some garlic, or rather slice up some garlic, and you want about 4 to 5 cloves of garlic at least, and this would probably serve 1 or 2 people depending on how hungry you are. Then I'm going to slice up, or I'm going to chop up some walnuts, and yeah, you want to keep them roughly the same size as the garlic so they cook up, or they kind of fry up. I'm gonna kind of fry them up together in the pan with some olive oil, and you want them to fry up roughly at the same time. So a little bit of olive oil and the nuts and garlic, fry them up until they're like goldenish. Next, I'm just gonna remove all the nuts and garlic into a bowl. I don't want to over fry them. Then I'm using the zucchini today, and I'm gonna slice up the zucchini in roughly same sizes and just rounds, and I'm going to fry these up as well. I'm not going to add any extra oil to the pan. I'm just going to add in the zucchini into the oil that was already in the pan. If you think you need to add more, oil to the zucchini or to the pan, go ahead and do it. But I thought there was enough oil in it, so I just went ahead and added the zucchini as is. And I'm just going to go ahead and kind of brown it up, or maybe give it a goldenish, crispyish sides, and cook it for about, until it's just like a little bit goldenish on both sides. And yeah, I'm just gonna flip it over after a couple minutes, let it cook on the other side as well. And as soon as that is done, I'm gonna remove them into a bowl as well. I don't want to overcook this. I just want to, I just wanted to get some color. That's all. And according to me, it looks beautiful right now. All right, in the same pan, we're gonna pour our spaghetti into it. I'm using gluten-free, so it has broken up a little bit, which is totally fine. But yeah, I'm gonna use my gluten-free spaghetti. Then I'm gonna add the zucchini to it. You want to remove it and then add it back in. Then I'm gonna add my nuts and garlic, or rather walnuts and garlic. Alright guys, next up I'm just gonna add some salt and some dried mixed Italian herbs to it. That's all I'm gonna pretty much add to it. You can add some chili flakes to it, or red pepper flakes, whatever you want to call it. This mixture usually has all kinds of herbs that go along with Italian food, and I think this is pretty much good. Or you could add fresh basil, or even just dried basil to it. Either one works. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mix it up all together really well so the flavors incorporate and kind of, they just mix up well. And I'm gonna just serve it hot. I hope really you enjoyed this recipe, and I hope you give it a try. And that's it, you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you next time with a delicious, healthy, and super quick recipe. And I hope you guys are staying safe and well during this stay home time. Thanks so much, guys.